Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, project-nomad, a self-contained offline survival computer that has exploded in popularity. It's designed to keep you informed and empowered with critical tools, knowledge, and even an offline AI when you have no internet. We'll explore how it works and why it's capturing the imagination of thousands of developers. What happens to all our digital knowledge when the internet goes down? We rely on the cloud for just about everything, but its greatest strength is also its greatest weakness. It needs a constant connection. A trending open source project is offering a compelling alternative, acting as a self-contained digital survival kit for when you're offline. This project is called project-nomad, which stands for Node for Offline Media, Archives, and Data. Developed by the team at Crosstalk-Solutions, it's an offline-first knowledge server. It bundles critical tools and even AI into a single, self-contained package. The goal here is simple: to provide information anytime, anywhere, with zero need for an internet connection. And the project is getting a lot of attention. It has already gathered over 9,800 stars on GitHub, with an incredible 2,300 of those stars appearing in just one day. The fundamental problem NOMAD addresses is our deep dependency on being connected. Think about it. In a natural disaster, a remote area, or even a simple internet outage, access to essential information can just vanish. In the past, a technical user might have tried to build their own solution. This would involve piecing together separate offline tools, like a Kiwik server for Wikipedia, a local AI setup, and other services. But that process requires significant expertise. Project-Nomad's unique angle isn't reinvention, but masterful integration. It serves as a unified platform, packaging these powerful tools into one manageable system that's accessible to a much wider audience. So, how does it all work under the hood? At its core, project-nomad is an orchestration platform. You can think of it as a digital quartermaster for information. It uses Docker to manage a collection of independent, containerized services, such as the AI tool Ollama and the offline encyclopedia Kiwik. The brain of the operation is a central command center built with the Adonis.js framework in TypeScript. A key design choice here is the use of inertia.js. This allows the backend to drive a snappy, single-page web application without the complexity of building and maintaining a separate API. It's a clean, modern monolith architecture, giving you server-driven simplicity with a modern user experience. The system also integrates RAG technology, which lets the local AI perform semantic searches on documents you upload. For long-running tasks, like downloading a multi-gigabyte AI model, a background job queue is used. This is crucial because it keeps the user interface responsive and prevents the system from freezing during heavy operations. This blend of container orchestration, advanced AI, and asynchronous processing is what makes the system so powerful yet user-friendly. The practical applications for a project like this are incredibly diverse. For digital survivalists, it's an information lifeline during an outage, providing maps and medical references. For educators in remote regions, it can be a complete offline school, delivering Khan Academy courses through the Colibri platform. And for privacy-conscious individuals, it's a way to build a personal knowledge base, completely free from online tracking and corporate oversight. Getting started is also quite straightforward for anyone on a Debian-based system like Ubuntu. A single command-line script handles the entire installation. From there, the system is accessed through a simple web browser, so it doesn't even need a desktop environment on the server itself. The feedback from the community has been overwhelmingly positive. Many are praising the project as a powerful, free alternative to expensive commercial systems. Users especially appreciate the one-click installation and the privacy that comes with running AI locally. The primary concern that's been raised isn't really a flaw, but more of a characteristic of the technology. Running the advanced AI features effectively requires powerful hardware. To get the best performance, you'll want a GPU with plenty of video memory. But of course, Despite its strengths, the project does have potential risks. For the sake of simplicity, its design deliberately omits an authentication layer. This makes it insecure on any shared or untrusted network, which limits its use in multi-user settings like classrooms or even within a family. Furthermore, its value is tightly coupled to the health of the third-party tools it integrates. If a key project like Alima or Kiwix were to change dramatically or be abandoned, NOMAD's functionality could be directly impacted. This could create a significant maintenance burden down the road. In the end, Project NOMAD's true value isn't in creating brand new tools. Its genius lies in elegantly packaging existing ones into a cohesive, functional whole. It makes the power of a comprehensive offline digital library with local AI capabilities accessible to everyone, not just to the technical experts who could build it themselves.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.